If you are not able to understand the Archimedes principle, then you have got to the correct channel. In today's video, I am going to tell you how the Archimedes principle works. So first, we should know what does the statement, what is the definition. So the definition is when a body is immersed fully or partially in a liquid, then it will experience a force that is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by it. So now let me explain what does it mean. Let's take this is any fluid. Fluid is like gas or any liquid. Fluid means which can flow. Fluid means anything that can flow. So let's see. When I put a rock, when I throw a rock, it will be in water. So when you will throw something very light, it will float in the water. That is the reason. The reason is the buoyant force or the buoyancy force. So buoyant or buoyancy force, it means that it is an upward force. Buoyant force is an upward force. It will always act upwards. So as you know that the force that pulls something down is the weight force. So this will be weight force, the gravity or weight force. Okay, so buoyant force, if buoyant is equal to weight force, then the body will float. If weight force is greater than buoyant force, then the body will sink. And if the buoyant force is greater than weight force, then the body will be at the top of means it will be at the top layer. And if equal, it will be half submerged. It will be means it will not sink, but it is not floating at the top. It will be at the middle. So let me so in the statement it is also there that the force experienced by the body will be equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by it. It means that the weight, let's take a beaker and also take this. This is another beaker and there is a fluid filled in it, or what we can say water. Water is filled in it, and when I'll throw a rock or a pebble, let's throw a pebble. When we'll throw it, it will displace some water. The displaced water will go from here to this beaker. So the volume of the fluid in this beaker will be equal to the pebble's volume. So volume of pebble or anything that is submerged into liquid will be equal to the volume of displaced fluid. It is a very easy formula that the objects or the body's volume, body volume will be equal to the displaced volume of displaced fluid. So like this video, then you should share this with your pals and like this video, and you should subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos related to science.